Alright people, we are back on PUBG. This time I will win the chicken dinner like the previous video. Just watch it, how play, how hard I play. This one's going to be so nasty that you'll never remember. Lol. I hope my 4 players can talk with microphone. Can you guys speak with your microphone? Uh, can you? Can you guys speak English with your microphone? Number 2, number 3, number 4. You just can punch me, number 2, but you cannot speak English, do you? Number 2, you're an idiot. You speak English, number 2, number 3, 4. Can't you just see the microphone and the speakers beside the map? Hey, speak English, anyone? Anyone? I'm all alone here. Playing PUBG like this won't help you people. Speak English, someone. Bring your voice chat up. I'm going to annoy you people. I'm going to annoy you people. You guys are going to annoy. You're going to get yourself annoyed. Hey, hey number two. Hey number two, I cannot understand your language, alright? I only understand English. I'm going to annoy you all. You know? To annoy you all. What the hell did you say? You are going to be kidding me. Hey Lone Wolf, you know you are an idiot. Yeah, I know. Your father is a cow, you know. What the hell? Where did you kill? Number 4. You abused me, alright? And you lost your health. That means you shouldn't have told me that. You know, I'm making a YouTube channel, that's why I didn't abuse you, alright? Next time you gotta be careful. Hey people, I got a pistol, you know? To get myself killed. Hey number 4, let's be friends, alright? Being your voice chat up, what's the problem with voice chat? Uh, who the hell is there? Nope, Scar L, eh? You can give it to me. I need that one. What? What is no? I never heard that word. You could bring a voice chat up rather than using a writing chat, I think. I got to go to the second floor. At last, I got a gun. Why is it PUBG so hard to find guns? Oh, really, man? I know you. I know you. In my mind. I got a 18th scope. I wish I could have a sniper rifle. Oh, you might be Bear Grylls. Lol. Oh, you are not? Then you might be Captain Marvel. Does anyone have a sniper rifle? I could use my 18th scope. No, I am not in TikTok. Uh, Telling frankly, I do not know what TikTok is. You gotta be kidding! My god, just a med kit. I need a sniper rifle. I hate holographic sites. Someone shot me. I'm gonna get himself killed. You got a scarrel? Then give it to me. What the hell? Number three, kill him, kill him, kill him. You're gonna get yourself killed. Shit, man, you're so careless, man. You're so careless. I got double kills at a stretch. Number three, cover my back, alright? I got a DP28. Shit, number two. You're so unlucky, you know. Now does anyone have 7.6 to ammo? Because I need to reload my DP28. Hey, number two, I'm coming. Wait. Wait, number four, I'm going to cover you. Shit, someone threw a smoke. Come on. Someone's inside this building, I think. I'm going to get him killed. No one's in here. I just used my ammo for wastage. Do you have a med kit? Number two? Come on, follow me. You got a Scarrel? I need 7.6 to ammo. I could use my 3 into scope. Let's go to where? Get ourselves killed? Oh, I got a Scarel. So sweet. Alright, people, let's get inside a vehicle. Would be safer than walking here. I ain't driving. Someone has to be a driver, alright? I got a vehicle here. Anyone coming? Drive it? I already bought my voice up. What the hell? How did... Who changed the color of this shit? Hey, number 3, are you an idiot? Standing there alone? Hey, we gotta take up number 3, man. Shoot the horn. You know, I want to abuse this guy now. That number 3. What the hell are you doing? Number 3, can't you just jump above? Hey, number 2, I do not understand your language. Can you please speak English? Alright, people, let's get the hell out of here. Hey, let's get to that warehouse. Might be some supplies. Nothing's in here. Number 3, cover me. Alright, no one's following my request. I'm going rooftop. I killed him. He's dead. He's dead. He's totally dead. Kill him. Kill him. Go, go, go. Nice shot, bit. I heard gunfire. Nice kill. Does anyone need a crossbow? I have a crossbow here. Lol. Hey people, we're staying here. I think it's so safe. We're staying in the rooftops. Who are you shooting at? Wait for me, man. I'm coming. Wait. Yo. You know what? Does anyone have a PS4? Or a Xbox? Oh, someone just asked me where I am from. I think I'm from America, right? Lol, I'm from Bangladesh. That's the truth. Alright, people, no more talking. Let's bust these people up. I know. I'm just trying to impress my audience, lol. Because I got no views. I'm trying to get more views, so I'm talking too much. So the viewers can give me some subscribers and I can earn money, I think. Like PewDiePie or Ninja or T-Series. So man, I'm so ashamed. I got no views, I got no subscribers, so I'm not telling you my channel's name. You'll never find it. I got a frying pan. What's the deal with frying pan? We already have a vehicle, kid. Hey, video. Eh, we're getting out for that airdrop. We're getting for that airdrop. Hey, number three, you wanna get yourself killed jumping from a third floor building? Where's number two? Kill him! Kill him! Shit! How the hell did he shot me? There's another one. He got a. Oh, he took him out. Very good. Wait. Wait! I needed some supplies. I'm sorry, man. Hey, what the hell are you doing, number two? People, I think it's a very safe spot for a picnic, right? Let's take some foods from here. Very good for a picnic. Hey, who's singing that guitar? What the hell? This is a picnic. You tried to kill me, man. You know who we're trying to mess with? I killed him as everyone's taking the loot without me. Wait. What the hell, man? Wait, let me just bandage myself. Hey, number four. Hey, there's an airdrop. Let's check it out. Man, who the hell's driving? No. You gotta be kidding me. Don't. You idiot number two. You idiot number two. I should have driven the car. I should have driven that car. Idiot. Alright, people, on me. You need a med kit number 3? Wait, I've got a bandages for you. Number 3, I got bandages for you. You want it? Here. The bandages are for you. Get yourself healed up before you get yourself killed, number 3. Take the bandages. I do not have med kit. Alright, as you wish, you die. Hey, number 4. I think we are so with some beaches idiots, I think. Wait for who? Wait. How did you get so far, number 4? Shit, that number 2 is going for the airdrop, leaving without me. Shit, number 4. Number 4, please take a ghillie suit for me. I just need that one, nothing else. Because I know you'll die. Then I'll take whatever you have. Just give me the ghillie suit and nothing. Come on, give me that ghillie suit. Wait. Shit, number 2, you are so... You need ammo? Then come here, I have some. The airdrop has. Can you please give me that ghillie suit, number 2? Number 2, that ghillie suit, please give me that. Take the ammo, that's the airdrop, kid. Hey, number 2, give me the air, give me that ghillie suit, please. I knew. He's dead. I killed him. Shit, Lono, shit, man, that ain't happening. I'm coming, wait. Everyone cover me, I'm going for number 4. Wait. Thanks, man. Shit, that guy has a vehicle. Shit, run, people, run. Run. Run already. Come on, we're getting to that, getting to the war. I'm going to the river, alright? Number 4, follow me. You're going to get yourself killed there. We should head to the buildings. Number 4, you gotta be kidding me, number 4. Come on, man. I'm giving a good advice. Number 4, as you haven't heard of me, uh, if number 2 dies, please give me that ghillie suit. I was about to die, alright? Number 2 is dead. Shit. Take that ghillie suit from him. Lono, take that ghillie suit, please. Shit, man, we got another one dead. Lone Wolf, you gotta get the hell out of there. Oh shit, I died too, man. I died too. Number 4, you are our last hope for the chicken dinner. Number 4, it would be great if you help me. You gotta take out the man who killed me. Don't come for me, I'll just take him out. You coming for me? It would be great, but no need. He's coming for me, just kill him from here. You got a sniper rifle? Don't come here, don't come here, you'll die. You'll die, man. Someone threw that. Thanks, number 4. I owe you one. Alright, the guy who tried to kill me has a sniper rifle, I'm sure that. We should head to the safe zone. Everyone, number 4, dive. Number 4, shit, man. Don't die. Only 2 of them are left. I think 4, sorry. Shit, man, you took that guy out. Man, you're a pro player. Number 4, you got to get the hell out of there. You could die. Who the hell are you trying to shoot at? I don't see the enemy. Point at him, I will kill him. What the hell just happened? I died. Again. Number 4. Shit. Man, number 4, you're gonna get yourself killed fast, number 4. Shit. Shit. Number 4, number 4, number 4. Don't die, number 4. Number 4. Your last hope, man. Audience. I've stayed for too long, as you can see from my strategy. And for number 4, he's a great guy. Now, what we're gonna do is just to prone, alright? Only 2 of them are left. You can do this, number 4. Stop your bullshit things, number 2. You cannot just speak English. You're just an illiterate guy living in this world. We're going to support number 4. Hey, number 4, where's the ghillie suit, eh? Looks like those 2 guys are enemies. That's a great strategy. That guy's a sniper rifle. You cannot take him out. You have to take cover. No. Yeah, just stay here. Just stay here. That guy's a sniper rifle. You gotta be careful, number 4. I'm telling you repeatedly. They're the one. Kill him. Take him out. Shit, man, he's behind that rock. Shit, man, you lost it. You again lost it, man. What the hell? You won the chicken dinner. Shit, number four, you are the man. Let's give likes to us. Oh, I'm making a video, right? I'll let people. We won the chicken dinner, but it was so close. Hit a like for number four. We are alone.